New details coming out of the courtroom in connection with the death of a 3-year-old girl in Willimantic. The mother's live-in boyfriend facing charges, and we have learned tonight that police are now searching for even more suspects. News 8's Aaron Logan live in our newsroom at the Middletown Press tonight with more on that. Aaron?
Keith, and the details in court disturbing. The details in this court affidavit beyond disturbing. The Windham County State's attorney telling me that this is one of the worst, if not the worst, case of child abuse she's ever seen.
Those photos demonstrate indescribable atrocities committed against a little child.
29-year-old Carol Ramos Bumgarner faces a judge charged in connection with the death of that little girl, his live-in girlfriend Kim Lam's 3-year-old daughter. This woman, who doesn't want to show her face, says she's been off and on with Bumgarner for 8 years, and she's 6 months pregnant with his child.
Carol loves kids. He's never did anything to my daughter. He raises kids that are not even his. So I just don't believe he would do nothing like that. I just don't picture it.
So he was good to your child?
He was fantastic.
State's Attorney Patricia Froelich says there are likely more arrests involving this incident that happened at this Willimantic home. Witnesses on scene tell News 8 Lam was screaming for help. A neighbor tried to perform CPR, but the girl was pronounced dead at the hospital. The court affidavit says the victim was found to be suffering from a skull fracture, both eyes swollen shut, bruises around the genital area, and the list goes on. Records also showing that another woman who babysits the girl says Lam told her she fell and hit a heater, which is why her eyes were black and blue. What do you think about the fact that they want to possibly charge him with murder or manslaughter?
I think it's wrong. They need to investigate more into this and stop going by one person's word.
Now, Bumgarner has other cases pending, including assaulting a pregnant woman, which is why he is being held on $1 million cash. He'll be back in court on July 19th. Live in the Middletown newsroom at the Middletown Press, Aaron Logan, News 8.